how to make and create educational flyer on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com, log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on create a design and search for flyer. Click here and it will take you to this page. Now go to the top right here and search for educational like this, and you will find many templates right here. As you can see, very easy and fast to edit. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.